Dear students, today we will study about Armstrong number. So let us understand what is Armstrong number. In the previous years, we have seen a question regarding this Armstrong number. So what is Armstrong number? Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of cubes of its digits. For example, 0, 1, 153, 370, 371. These are Armstrong number. So let us understand its logic. Suppose we have a number 153. So Armstrong number is a number that is equal to the sum of cube of its digit. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1, we have taken a cube of 1. Then 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Then 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So here we will get 1, here we will get 125, and here we will get 27. So on taking the sum of these three numbers, we are getting 153. So 153 is equal to 153. So hence it is a Armstrong number. So let us take another example. Suppose we have 371. So 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Then 7 multiply 7 multiply 7. Then 1 multiply 1 multiply 1. Now here we will get 27 plus 343 plus 1. So that is equal to 371. So these are Armstrong number. So we are going to write a program in C language to check a number is Armstrong or not. Write a program to check a number is Armstrong or not. What we have to do, first we have to include a file standard header file stdio.h, create a main function, inside main function take some variables like to enter a variable, enter a number, we have taken a variable n, r to separate the digits, and some variable, take the sum of the cube of these variables of a digits of a number that is initialized to 0, and a temporary variable. Now printf enter any number. So scanf percentile d format specifier, then address of n. We have taken a temporary variable. In this variable we are giving the value of n, that is number, so that our original copy does not affect. Now create a while loop. In this we have taken a condition n is greater than equal to 0. We are separating the digits of a number. So we have taken r, that is the remainder, and percentile 10. So this is percentile operator. This is used to take remainder, not quotient. Now we have to do sum, and sum equal to sum plus we have to take the cube of the remainder, that is r multiplied by r multiplied by r. Now again we have to take the number, that is the remaining number, that is n equal to n divided by 10, n equal to n divided by 10, close this loop. Now we have to give the statement, if temp is equal to sum, then printf number is a Armstrong number, else printf number is not a Armstrong number. So this is our program to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. So let us look towards the logic of this program by tracing the number. Suppose we have a digit or a number 153. What we have to do, we have to separate these digits. So 1 is separated, r equal to n percentile 10, it means 153 percentile 10. So what we will get here, we will get 1, and we have to take the cube of this number by multiplying this. Now so we have taken a cube. Now we have initialized the sum equal to 0. So what we will get in this variable, we will get 1. Again here what we have done, a number is divided by 10, so here we will get the quotient, that is n equal to 53. Now again this number will be percentile by 10, we will get 5, and the cube of this is obtained, that is 125, and sum is initialized to 1, so here we will get 126. As we know that a variable keep changing the value during the execution of a program. Again we are taking the percentile. Now we will get a 3, and what is the remainder of 3? That is a 3. Now 3 multiplied by 3, we will get 27, and at last we will get 153. So this is the main logic of a Armstrong number. Thank you very much.